What's up YouTube? Today we're doing a video on how to ollie. So before properly ollieing, you're probably going to want to get comfortable riding your board and riding it around almost everywhere you can, so you can get comfortable with the motion and how to move while doing it and everything. The first step on how to ollie is basically stand on your board and you're going to lean your weight like that and just continue doing that for 10 minutes to get in the motion of popping. So after you've done your popping for 10 minutes, you're gonna start sliding. So you're gonna put your foot on about a right angle, and when you're popping, you're gonna slide your foot up the board but not off the nose. So the next step is jumping on your board, and what the jumping does is that will give you the height off the ground. So then you're gonna put it all together, jump, pop, slide. So the jump gets you off the ground, the pop will make sure that you reach off the ground, and the slide will give you the height to then level your board out to get a high ollie. So then you're gonna put it all together, pop, slide, jump, and you should have an ollie. Over time, they'll get higher and higher, and you just gotta keep going and keep going and keep going until you fail. That's wrong. You'll probably get frustrated.
He's dying of cancer.
So it will take time to get a good ollie, but I mean, after a month, I got that much off the ground, and it's not that difficult. You just have to be persistent and keep going and going. So that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. When you're doing ollies on grass, so when you're doing ollies on grass, you will get less pop. So don't be mad if you don't get height. It's fine. But thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and fuck you guys.
Slater Gator!